Hello, this is Colt from Spit and Tex Upholstery. All right, we're going over again using the old skin, the old hide off of whatever you're making, and we're using that for our pattern, okay? So be mindful of it. When you make sure to convey all of the markings onto the new patterns, okay? Clearly, you know that. Okay, and then sometimes if they're a little short or they're torn or they're ripped, go ahead and like this, you wanna, that you have to make that line straight. So you're gonna want some clear rulers, okay? I use these. These are really good, okay? Got an 18-inch clear. And then this compass ruler. And you can hold the patterns down a lot of times, the old pattern. Okay? And another trick is, like, sometimes I'll cut them. I will cut the pattern. Instead of tearing it apart, I'll cut it like I did here. Okay? And this pattern here goes to show you. Don't forget that you have to add what you cut off. Okay? You have to put that back on. So you can see, we'll line it up. There we go. We'll line it up. But you can see, and like little hoopties like that on the original, go ahead and add that, okay? There'll be times when you'll see that it's just distorted over time or it was cut weird. Add that back, okay? That's a perfect example of using the old pattern and adding what should be there, okay? So anyway, you come down here and you'll see where I just got tired of seam ripping and I just cut it. Well, on the pattern, you can clearly see now where my line stopped and where I added that half-inch industry sew allowance. Little things like that. You have to be mindful of that. If you have to get yourself a little chalkboard or something, a little grease pen board, and then write it down on, I don't know, did I write it on here? Oh yeah. Look at that. It said add a quarter. Okay? So yeah, you got to remember what you're doing. Okay? And so now I have, there's 3 parts to this seat. This is the bottom part. Okay? That's over there. And then that one is the middle part. And then that one is the top. Okay? Don't get them confused. Like this right here, I'm going to cut this all out. And then I'm going to lay them with their original patterns and put them in a nice, neat pile. Be orderly when you do this so you will not get lost. It's important that you listen to me here, okay? And then if you got a real big one, you don't got to worry about that big one. It's one piece. But when you start getting 11 and 12 to 15 pieces for one seat, got the end caps and who knows what. After you iron them and you trace them out and you label them, when you label them, properly, cut them out and put them back in their original pile, okay? Trust me, you got to do this. Then you won't get lost. And like I said, photograph everything before you do it. But anyway, this is what it looks like, okay? And these are the rulers that I use because sometimes when you're tracing out a pattern, you ironed it, but sometimes sometimes they want to be a bear. So you can hold it down like this and then run your pen along. Clear rulers really help. They're a lifesaver. Trust me, you want these. You want to get some of those. And that's it, man. Make sure you label everything and add where you need to add. When you see a mirror image, use the same pattern for the other one. Because sometimes you'll see mirror images that aren't right. Always be mindful of that. Because usually if you're doing like a square or something, every side is the same. And it's supposed to be the same. And with weather patterns and hot and cold and this and that, one side might distort. That's another little thing to remember, a little trick. Always, sometimes I've had one whole half of the seat wasn't even there, but I had this half. So I just took that half and then just flipped it over, did the good side to bad side to good side, just flip it. Mirror image, bam, came out perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a bunch of these little shorts, but that's what we're doing right now. Trace it, ironing. You rip it apart, you iron it, you trace it, and then you cut it out, and then you stack it in its own pile. When you have, you know, multiple sections of one seat, do it that way. Don't ever change it. All right, I'm Colt from Spit and Tex Upholstery. I'll see you around like a donut. There's going to be a bunch of these. All right, I'm trying to give you a bunch of short ones so I don't kill you. All right.